Welcome. Let's see how to create floor in Revit architecture. After creating walls, we can create floor by defining their boundaries either by picking walls or using draw tools. So here we can sketch a floor in a floor plan view. So in project browser under floor plans, so we are in level 1. Now on architecture tab, here we can find the floor option. Select. So after selecting, here we can see a draw tools are enabled. Here we have different draw tools: line, rectangle, pentagon, circle, arc, and pick line method, pick wall method. So we can use any one of them to create the floor. And in properties also, in which level we are creating, and we have different types of floors also. We can use any one of them. So after selecting the floor type, now we'll see how we can create with the help of line. So here I'm selecting line option. So here from where we want to create a floor. So I want to create from the exterior face of the wall. So I'm picking the end point of the wall and the next end point. So in the same way we'll be creating a closed profile by picking all end points. So when we are creating a profile or a sketch, it should be a single closed profile with no intersections or openings. So with the help of line we can pick the endpoints and we can create a floor, and we have other options, and in the same way we can create with the help of rectangle also by picking the two endpoints. So we can use this pick wall method also. So this way we can say it's a best practice to create the floor. So here I'm giving Ctrl Z. Now from draw tools I'm using pick wall method, and here we can give the offset value where we want to create the balcony or we want to create a extra space behind the walls. There we can use this offset value. So here I'm taking 1600 offset value, and here when I place the cursor we can see a blue color dashed line. So if we pick inside, it will create the floor only over there inside the walls, but I want extra space behind the walls. So no need of picking interior walls to create the floor, only exterior boundary walls are enough to create the floor. So picking all boundary walls. So after picking, here we can see there is an opening on four ends. So we can make it a closed. So from modify tools, here we can use this option called trim or extend. Select and select both the lines. So here we can see how it got extended. So in the same way we can apply to other sides. So now it has been created a single closed profile. So after creating, here click on finish. So here we can see a floor has been created. So from view control bar we can set it to realistic. So here we can see a floor has been created. So here in 3D view also we can view that. So this is the floor which we have created. And now after creating floor, we can edit the properties of floor like thickness or material. So before creating also we can edit, or after creating also we can edit. So select that particular floor from properties palette. Here we can see edit type, then structure edit, and the thickness of the floor. Either we can increase or decrease. So here I am making it to 100 mm, and the material here by category. So click on that. So here I am selecting the cherry, then click OK. So here we can see material cherry and the thickness 100. Then click OK, apply OK. So here we can see how the material has been changed to cherry and the thickness has been decreased to 100 mm. So in this way, we'll be creating the floor and we'll be editing the properties of floor. Thank you.